Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am doing my very fast haul. I bought some things from Amazon UAE and I shipped using Malahide. I think I shopped last month in November, beginning of November or end of October, and they are here. So what I'm expecting from this package, I've not even opened them. This box and this, what I am expecting to get inside is a vlogging camera, a Polaroid camera, films for the Polaroid, and a charger, a universal adapter. So I will open and then we'll see, we'll be surprised together. I also passed by CBD nikienda collect package. I wanted lip gloss because I've been going for these cheap lip glosses and my lips, they react to these glosses. The most expensive gloss I've ever used was NYX. It's around 1000 or 1200. That was working perfectly for me, but sasa it's 1000 nakalisha. So there was this shop that was running a sale. They were selling Fenty, but it's knockoff. But I figured if I go for something more expensive, then it shouldn't react on my lips. So they were selling Fenty for 1000 bob, but then they had an offer. It was 100, not 100, 500 shillings on the day that I got it. I went for the nude shade. I also wanted a clear one, but I only had money for one. It looks like this. It's written Fenty, but well, see the original one. And it applies so nicely. I already have some on my lips. I love it. I've used it for one day since I got it yesterday. My lips have not reacted to it yet. With the other glosses, they start reacting on almost immediately. So I'm giving it time, but I don't think it will cause any problems. I'll check out when they have offers ndo nibai ingine. I'll also link them in the description box. Although the sale was ending yesterday was not first, 2nd of December. But in case they have a sale, or if you want to buy at the current price, which is 1000 bob, which is still affordable kinda, given that the quality is good. I got these pants yesterday in town, Nairobi CBD, near Imenti, where Kahawa West matatus usually carry. Hiyo stage ya Kahawa West zilikuwa 400. Alikuwa na palazzo poa, nilifit na ile nini ya shingo. Clearly this is a waist 30 na mimi waist 28, so inanifit low waist na inafaa kukua high waist. Zinanibamba but sijui what to do. I think nitavanga tu low waist. Shida nikivaa low waist zinakuwa extra long. On to our packages. I had a pair of scissors somewhere. Found it. Let me start with this. The package came to 2 kg and they charge, I think, 1700 per kg for shipping. I'm talking about Malahide. Instax Mini 12. My Polaroid. It's pastel blue. Ooh. And the films. And I think this is the charger. The adapter. It has a matte finish. Not silky, silicone kinda. I know I won't need to use it for a long while since most sockets in Kenya are universally the same, but for when I travel outside, tunaanza tu kuinvest pole pole. Ooh. Okay. The charger was around 1600 shillings without shipping. Ooh. I'm so excited. It has a cable. Batteries. A manual. And the camera. I didn't expect it to be this big. It's quite big. I'll figure out the settings later. Nitakuwa nalipisha watu kuwapiga picha. How much was the camera? Around
12,000.
without shipping. And the films, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packs with 10 sheets inside, so that's 50 for 6500. The films are expensive, gosh, because I saw if you're buying one film in Kenya, the one with 10 sheets, you'll get it at 2500, and for this it's 6500 for 5, so meaning that's 650 for 10, so 1300 for one plus shipping. The shipping was not much, it was around 1500 for all. I think Zikisha I'll just ship instead of buying locally, because 2500 for one. So now the camera. The reviews on this camera were that it's good, like it's okay for the price, but the sound is not that good. You need an external microphone. I had done proper research before buying, but then I was researching on the top cameras which are going for sijui over 100k. If it's less than 100k, it's like 80. Where I didn't have such a budget. And this one I'm just hoping I won't regret. I have a camera, but it's point to shoot and it doesn't have the screen. I keep telling myself if I knew I was ever going to vlog when I was buying that camera, I would just have looked for one with a lens, with a screen. Hey, jamani. Hey. Guys, ASMR match manual type C, lens cover, battery, 2 batteries, supposed to be 5,000, is it written, or 1,500 mAh. A lens, adapter. Oh, it's tiny. Oh, I love the covering. It's the same as the universal adapter. It feels like silicone. It's tiny. I love how small it is. But I think now when I change the lens, it will be quite big. I'll figure out the settings later, but I love the size. I hope the quality will be good. How much was this? Camera was around
21,000.
without shipping. So with Malahide, you pay, they can shop for you or you can shop for yourself. And this video is not even sponsored, but they say if you tag them in a video or on Instagram after shopping, you get a 10% discount on your next order. I actually got a 10% discount because I had bought something, I think last year. I tagged them and then I sent them the link, and so we had that message to confirm for when I shop next. so I got 340 off. So you tell them if you want them to shop for you or you want to shop for yourself. If they're shopping for you, send the money, then they shop and you send the links. And then they'll charge you a service charge, and they'll also charge you shipping package. So I paid, how much did I pay? So it was
41,000.
for the items. The service fee was 34.50 and shipping was 31.50. Yeah, hii nayo nilifunga tu macho nikaamua kama mbaya mbaya, I just hope they're not going to disappoint me, because guys, alafu I'm serious with this content creation thingy. Like, I'm serious about YouTube. So a while back I also got a hard disk. It transcend 1 TB. I bought it for 8,500 shillings. I had a budget for gadgets na imeisha. So my plan is to push this until one day it can repay my investment, because this is a serious investment. Also, when I was buying the hard drive, I thought I can use it like a flash disk. You know that you can use an OTG directly on your phone with a flash disk to transfer videos and photos. But kumbe this cable is different. I didn't know that. Like, I can't connect it directly to my phone using the OTG unless I have another extension that I'm not yet aware of. We keep learning. I've not used it yet, but I know I'll need it soon. Ni vizuri I have it now so that when I need it, nitakuwa nayo. So guys, subscribe, share my content, engage with me, ndio nifikisha 1000. At least ni feel to it's getting somewhere. By the way, right now I'm at 102 subscribers. Oh, yani nilianza 0 na niko na 102. Like, there's 100 of you who have subscribed, and some of you sikupenda kwenu ati hamja subscribe. Like, you watch my content but hamja confirm. You've not confirmed that you've subscribed. Ebu check, please check. Inaweza kuwa mi ukubamba but huja subscribe. Check too. Thanks. I will leave the links to the items that I got on the description bar in case you want to check them out. I will leave Malahide's Instagram page in the description bar and my friend's number in case you need the hard drive or any other gadget. Yeah, that's it for this one. Thank you so much. If this one works well, then the camera will the quality of the vlogs will definitely be better. Investment sawa. Thank you. See you on the next one.